Hello friends, in my last video we had seen how to download VirtualBox and Ubuntu Linux operating system, and now in this video we know that how to install VirtualBox in your Windows operating system, because we are using Windows operating system. So now I am going to install VirtualBox in my Windows operating system. Let's go friends. I have already downloaded the VirtualBox. Okay, you have seen here I have already downloaded VirtualBox. Okay, now I am going to install. Okay, I have some work, so I have to go. Now I am going to install. Now I am going to double click on this. Okay, a smart screen cannot be reached right now. Check your internet connection. You want to defend a smart screen in unusable. You can't help decide. Okay, so before this I have to open my Wi-Fi, because it say to check your internet connection. So yeah, my internet connection is set now. Okay, just simply close it. Now my internet connection is already. Okay, double click on VirtualBox. It's processing. Yeah, preparing to install. But simply we have to click on next button. Yeah, all these menus and all the check box is already checked. And next, Wi network interface, simply yes, and now install the VirtualBox. Reinstalling, it may take some time. Please wait while the setup wizard installs Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.0.14. This may take several minutes. Yeah friends, this is my Oracle VM VirtualBox 6 version. I have installed VirtualBox 6 version. Here you can see, and here you can also see and first of all it may take some time, and this what is happening. Yeah, virtual VM VirtualBox is installed. It is Oracle Corporation. Now installing. Copying new file. Yeah. Would you like to install this driver software? Oracle Corporation Universal. Simply we have to install this driver software device. In the device you have to install this Oracle Corporation Universal series serial. Okay, just install. Okay, now it is installing. Yeah, this is installed. You see here start Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.0.14 after installation. My VirtualBox 6th version is installed now. Okay, just click on finish button and see here VirtualBox is opening. Yeah, this is my VirtualBox full screen. Yeah, in this now VirtualBox, I have no any Linux operating system, means Ubuntu, because I I have not installed Ubuntu Linux operating system now. So if I install the Ubuntu Linux operating system, it may comes in this screen here. And now that's it. And upcoming next video we know that how to install Ubuntu. Okay, we have already seen how to download Ubuntu and how to download VirtualBox and Ubuntu in previous video. I give that video link in the description. You must watch it. How to download VirtualBox and how to download Ubuntu Linux operating system. Both videos are in the same video. Both things are in the same video. Okay.